Sir, the 10 million naira in words you wrote is not correct.
Okay, let me quickly correct it back now.
No need. Just take another slip and fill it. Another deposit slip.
Okay, thank you.
Please sit.
Okay, What is your seat too?
It's also your bank, sir, so sit.
Alright, thank you.
Yes,
Don't mind me, my friend, Ojega Charles, aka Charles Dollars, is doing his birthday today. That's why I need to deposit 10 million in my account so that I'll have enough to spend in the birthday party. That is why I'm making all these mistakes.
Happy birthday to him.
Thank you.
So let me get you something.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, you know you are one of our big customers. So on behalf of the bank, I'm giving this to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Let me get you some fried meat to join it, okay?
No, don't bother.
What's the matter?
I just made another mistake.
Don't bother now. Just take another slip and fill it. Sure, let me help you fill it. Yes, it's not a problem.
Thank you.
Young man, what is this? Branch, you wrote just Benin. Is the only one branch that we have in Benin?
It's a mistake, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Sorry for yourself. You think bankers, we don't know what we are doing? As if that is not enough. What is this? This is your account number?
Yes, sir.
Is this how to write this? Is this your signature? Or people join you to sign?
It's my signature, sir.
It's your signature, sir. Because of 5,000 naira, you sign like this. You even sign outside the box. So, meaning if you want to withdraw 100,000 naira, you sign on my face. In fact, come. Does this picture look like you? Look at your hair here. You barber bolo just like Two-Face. Now look at your hair like Zlatan. Aye.
Sorry, sir.
Young man, who opened this account for you? Is he a man or a woman?
It's a woman, sir.
No wonder why you have been behaving like a woman rapper.
Sir, let me just cut this.
Come on, remove your silly, dirty hand. In fact, young man, what's your BVN?
Sir, please check your system, sir.
Check your brain. It's like you are mad. Don't allow me to give you a uppercut. In fact, young man, you're under arrest. Yeah!